Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to polish your car at your home. You don't need to visit any detailing shop. You can do that sitting at your home. Yes, you heard that right, at your home. So for this particular video I will be using a particular brand of detailing products. So friends, these are the things that I will be using. This is the polish. I have a sponge, a microfiber cloth, a foam pad and a wool pad. And this is the car on which the polish will be performed. So I'll be doing it to a particular portion of the bonnet so that we can see if there is any change, or if there is any, to what extent the change is, or how good the polish comes up. I have differentiated the bonnet into two parts and I have already applied the cream, and I am just evening it out in a proper way, maintaining the space properly, like so. So the machine is ready. Let's get it started. Friends, after applying the first coat, this is the difference. I don't see much of a difference, but there is a slight increase in the smoothness and the shine, little improvement. So let's apply the second coat and see it again. Apply the second layer, second coat, the second cream, and for the second cream I have also applied this foam pad. We are not using the wool pad because this is strictly for shine, gloss and nothing else. So let's get this started. So friends, the second coat has been applied, so we can see a very distinct shadow here. We can see the reflection of this light here. We can see a mirror image of everything, but here we cannot. Here we can, here we can't. So I'll show this to you in a better way. I'll get this car outside in the sun and then I'll show you. So friends, this portion is the non-polished portion. We can see the reflection of the sun and the swirl marks. A lot of swirl marks are here, and here we can see the reflection is much more precise, and there are more or less there are very less swirl marks. If we do this process again and again, I am pretty sure that the remaining swirl marks will also vanish. Yeah, they should vanish. So friends, non-polished, polished from a distance. Yeah, this product does good. It does real good. So friends, I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to demonstrate how to polish your car in your home, and I have been successful in polishing this car because the results are good. It's very good. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button, share the videos, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye and take care.